Hey my harmonies, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how I put on these cute pink press-on nails. And if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get started. These are how my nails currently look. They look so crusty and dusty. My cuticles are off and I'm missing a nail. It's time for me to put on some new nails. And if you guys want to see how I prep my nails to put on new nails, then I'll leave that video down below. First, I have to push back and trim my cuticles, so I'm going to be using this cuticle remover that I got from the Dollar Tree and just massage that into my cuticles. And then I'm going to be taking my cuticle pusher that I got from Amazon, and everything that I'll be mentioning and using in this video will be linked down below. I love using this cuticle pusher. It works really good and it's really affordable. I got it as a set, but everything with that was like under $10. Once I'm done pushing my cuticles back, I go in with a cuticle trimmer. Then of course I'm just going to be trimming my cuticles with this. If I skip pushing my cuticles back and trimming them, then it's just not gonna look right at all with my press-on nails. And I have like really sensitive cuticles, so if they grow too long or anything, then I'm gonna start getting like a little skin hangnail, and it's like the worst feeling ever. I hate getting those. So this is like one of the biggest steps that I have to do. I'm just going to be doing the exact same steps with the other hand. Now I'm going to be taking this really cute Kiss nail file that I got from Burlington. It came in a pack of 6 and I love this so much. It's just really cute, okay? Like that's really the main thing. And I'm just going to be filing my nails with this. Next, I'm going to be taking my nail dehydrator, and this is just going to take off all the excess oils that I have on my nails. And we just want to make sure that these press-on nails are going to actually stick on and last. This product was only between $8 on Amazon, and I notice a huge difference every time I use it, so I highly recommend it. Then I'm going to be buffing my natural nail with the nail file just to make sure that the press-on nails will stick on better. Make sure not to buff them out too much because it can cause damage to your natural nail. These are the press-on nails I'm going to be using in today's video. I did get these from Temu. I've shown you guys in my Temu haul. I'll link that video down below because that video is really popular and I found so many cute things from Temu. I had recently got a cordless electronic nail file from the brand 𝐏𝐑𝐄. I'm super happy that I got this because this is going to be so beneficial for my press-on nails and my natural nails. You can get this in the color pink or red, but you guys know I'm gonna choose pink. You would receive a little booklet letting you know what comes with the nails and how to use it, and a charger. When you want to replace the nail tool, all you have to do is twist it towards the left, then pull that out, then take whatever drill bit you're going to be using, but I'm going to be using the main drill for today's video. I'm going to twist it back to the right so it's secured. To turn on the file, all you have to do is hold the power button. With the arrows facing each other on the drill, it just lets you know once you click it, the drill will start moving towards the left, or once you click it again, the drill will start moving towards the right. With this 𝐏𝐑𝐄's nail file, it does have 5 adjustable speeds. And this nail drill is portable. It has a USB charging, multifunctional bits, low noise, and low heat. I'm going to be using the roughest sanding bit to buff the press-on nail because it's gonna help the nail stick on better to my natural nail. I don't ever use the nail stickers, but I always use my Kiss press-on nails glue, and I always use the pink one. I don't like using the clear one. I definitely prefer the pink one, and just stick them onto my nails. Make sure to not add too much nail glue because a couple of times I did and the nails were not sticking on. So make sure you guys do not add too much. And if you do get nail glue on your skin, it peels off within 1 to 2 days. I recently got questions about that in my last few videos, so that's why I just want to clarify that part real quick. For the speed setting, whenever I am buffing the press-on nails, I do have it on 3 because it is in the middle. It's not too slow, it's not too fast. It's the perfect speed limit for me. Yeah, these press-on nails that I got from Temu were only $2, and if you guys use my code that I have on the screen and in the description box down below, my code and link, you guys can get some money off these nails. Plus Temu always has free shipping. This video is not sponsored by them, but I just want to give you guys a heads up. Once I'm done putting them on, I am gonna use my new lotion that I got from Bath & Body Works. It's the Cocoa Paradise hand cream. It smells so good. It smells like I'm on an island. It doesn't have a floral island scent, but it has like a warm island scent, and it just smells very luxurious, and you guys know I'm all about that. Lastly, I'm going to be taking my 𝐏𝐄𝐍𝐓𝐋𝐘 cuticle oil in the scent vanilla. This is still my favorite. I love using this on my cuticles. It heals any cuts or dryness that I have on my cuticles. They have this in a different scent as well, but I keep forgetting to get the different scent. I want to get a floral scent for the spring and summertime, but you know, vanilla is always a nice go-to type scent anyway. I hope you guys enjoy this really cute nail tutorial. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. And do not forget to check out my description box for the links of the products I used and the videos I mentioned. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.